Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'm going to be sharing with you how I make these green noodles. So this is actually a vegetable noodles, but I've joined my kids to call it green noodles. That is what they call it in my home because they love noodles a lot, so I intend to inculcate a lot of things in their noodles, and this is my favorite so far. I'm so happy that I get them to eat vegetables even as they eat their favorite food. One good thing about it is not only that it is tasty, it is easy to make, and you are happy that you've had lots of vegetables inculcated in your cakes made. Meanwhile, if you're hearing this voice for the first time, my name is Grace and I make recipes you find very interesting. Please just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I have my water already boiling. I'll be adding in the noodles inside the boiling water. I use 3 packs of 100 grams of noodles for this recipe. I'll cover the pot and I'll allow it to cook. The noodles is pretty much ready, so I'm just going to pour it into a strainer and run cold water on it to just stop the cooking process. Don't be tempted to leave it more than this. Any other thing after this is going to get you a soggy noodles. In a pan, I'm just going to heat up some oil. Adding in a mixture of chopped onion and pepper. I use 1 scotch bonnet pepper for this, and I chopped my onion. If you don't like onion, you can actually blend it or even use onion powder for this. I will let this fry for some few minutes to allow it to release its flavor. I'll be adding in deboned mackerel fish. I fried this fish and I deboned it. So I'm just going to be adding in the seasoning from the noodles, and I'm going to stir this together. It is already coming together. I'm going to be pouring in the vegetable that I use for this, and I use pumpkin leaves for this. You can actually use your spinach or any vegetable available to you. And if you notice, I cut this vegetable in tiny bits. I use my food processor to achieve this. I want a situation where they can actually eat the vegetable and not picking it out carefully from the noodles. So even looking at this already, it is a sauce on its own. You can even enjoy this with your white yam or anything. This is actually a sauce on its own. So I'm going to stir this for a while before proceeding to add in the noodles. Since the noodles has already been pre-cooked, so we are just going to stir everything together and allow this a little while for all the whole combinations to come together. A minute later, this has come together and it looks so nice. It actually tastes even better. Try this out. Your kids are going to love it. Even you are going to enjoy it. Just take a look at the strands of the noodles. They are so perfect, not soggy at all. Just try this out. I'm certain you're going to love this and even be more happier that you're inculcating vegetables to your meals. Thank you for watching this video to this point, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet, because I would love to see you. Yes, you. I would love to see you in my next video. For now, bye and have a good day.